Hi there, welcome back to another video. I'm about Mr. Talented video, and today's video I have a 2010 Mercedes Benz C300. So the check engine light on. So when I check it with a scan tool, I get this p0442. Sometimes it could be the purge valve, the gas cap. I already cleaned the gas cap, the purge valve already changed, the light go away, and for some reason the light comes on back. So I'm going to show you what's going on that causing this code at this moment. Okay, so right here is the evap purge valve right here. So what happened, let me move this out of the way. Alright, so this is the valve right here. It's a brand new valve and it's giving some trouble. When I check, I notice I see where it's leaking. You can hear that sound. It's crack open right there, guys. So that's where it's leaking. So that's the problem right there, guys. So if you have that same issue with your car, you can check this piece first after changing the gas cap or clean it. So check for all those cracks in the lines. And there you go, guys. So I'm gonna see if I can get a piece of hose and fix it right here, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you another time.